Hello guys, today we are going to buy Spinny. Just type Spinny ticket. We buying tag Spinny wheel ticket. We bought this Spinny wheel ticket and we spin it. If I get huge, I got profit. Yeah, it's cost 7.34 million. I'm going to spin. Let's see what I got. I don't get huge. Good items. I got good items. I got profit 3 million of just spinning wheel. Big profit 3M. But I did get huge. If you wanna get some huge, subscribe and like and comment your username. Goodbye.